Hello, my dear members. I'm your VPE Li-Wei from Longtan Club. Today, I'm going to introduce you 4 items about the EasySpeak system in order to assess you to use the EasySpeak system. So, first of all, how to log in my EasySpeak account. So let's open a window and then we type EasySpeak. So we could find an address like something like this one, and then after we type this address, they will ask us to type in our username and the password. Don't forget, if you can't remember your password anymore, please inform your VPE Li-Wei or MVP or someone else. He will help you to reset your password so that you will receive a mail which gives you a new password, and then you can use this one to get into your account. Okay, so let's just get into our account. And with the username and the password, you will be able to log into your account. After you log into your account, you will be guided to our main page, and here you can see some news from our Longtan Club. Now for the moment there's not too much materials here, but we will fill it out in the future. And then you just need to click this one, link Longtan Club. So we click this one, we will go to the coming meeting agenda. So you will see something like this one. At this moment, please feel free to use your system. Okay, so now, for example, the second question, how to take assignment. When you are in the agenda view here, if I want to be the timer, for example, if I don't know what is a timer, I can click this one, and there are some paragraph to tell me how to be the timer and what is the role and what is everything. There's lots of the videos, materials, informations, so you won't get lost. Don't worry, you won't get lost. And then if I want to be the timer, just click this one, I accept the timer role. But before you click this one, you need to say I will be there. After you click this one, you will be able to click this one. So let me just demonstrate you. I accept the timer role. So if you click this one, you will be able to be registered as a timer immediately. But if you don't want it to be a timer anymore, just click this one, I decline the timer role. So you click this one and you explain what is the reason, and they say I'm not attending, okay, or I will be there, whatever. So you just refuse to be there. But now if you are available again, just please click this one, I will be there, and then you will see all the buttons will pop up again. But you can see here there's no buttons here for the speakers. It is because you are not allowed to take the speaker assignment immediately. Before you take the speaker assignment, you need to request a speech. So the third question, how to propose my future speech. So you need to propose a speech, even for the speech for the moment or for your future speech. So you just need to click request a speech. After you click this one, it will pop out another window, ask you to explain what is your title and what is your detail of the speech. So let me just demonstrate you. I would like to say my title is wanna speak English, just speak it out. So this is my title, and there you can put some introduction here. So let me just say introduction, blah blah blah. Okay, so I finished this page. It is not mandatory to fill out the speech introduction, but this introduction will be proposed to the Toastmaster so that it will be much easier for him to introduce your speech. Second, you need to click the second tab about the workbook. So you can choose a workbook. If you are not using the competent communication manual, you can choose a new workbook here. But normally for everyone, you should use the competent communication manual. So you click this one, and you can choose the assignment you would like to take. For example, I would like to take the second one, organize your speech. And then you will see the cross will become the check. And then you need to click the third one. The third one, it will be the preferred date. So your preferred date, you can choose the date you would like to do it. And now let me introduce you. We will need to wait. Okay, so it is here. You can see we have all the decided meetings. So these meetings are not yet scheduled, but there are some meetings here. So I can say my first preferred date, it will be this meeting or this meeting. So you can choose whatever you want. Okay, and you can choose, if I couldn't take this one, I can actually take this one and should take this one. You can also choose the other combination, things like this one, whatever. So you can find it out about all the dates and all the preference number. Okay, now after that, please say save. After you say save, you will propose a speech. And here is my communicator process. You can find out more detailed information here. But for the moment, let's go back to the agenda. So in this agenda, you are not yet being accepted to be a speaker, because all the speakers' requests need to be verified by the officers like the VPE or the MVP. So I'm the VPE. So let me change back to my officer view. So at least inside my officer view, I can see there are one speaker, which is Li-Wei. He want to take the speech, and he will want to take the competent communicator, the number 2 goal, organize your speech, wanna speak English, blah blah blah. So I can choose this one, and all the others, they have already proposed their speeches, but in the future. So maybe if I don't have enough speakers, I can ask them to provide their speech much more earlier, instead of propose their speech immediately. Okay, so now let me take myself, Li-Wei. So after I click this one, I will become the speaker. So at this moment, the VP accept your request. So now you could be the speaker, and I will say I would like to accept this one. Okay, but after I'm the VPE and I say this one, you will see on the agenda like things like this one. So you will see, oh, you have been assigned with the Li-Wei, and what is your speech title, what is your goal, and what is the meaning of this goal, and what is your introduction. And you will need to say, okay, I accept my speaker role. So after you click this one, this question mark will become a check. So that it means you have verified your attendance. So you will see here I saw a check. So everyone, please make sure you see the check here to attend the meeting, and you see the check here to verify your attendance as for your roles. Let's go back to the end. How to respond to the mails. Normally, you don't even need to do anything, because normally in your mail system, you will receive some mail and we will provide you some link here. So everything below the line is something which is not that important, but whatever here. So when you receive the mail, please read the mail, and here is the mail to ask you to take some positions. So if you click this one, you will be guided to the agenda view, and in this agenda view, we will be able to propose you some absent vacation. Some roles which haven't been taken. So that's all, and please feel free to use the system, because it can reduce the load of the officer team, and it can help you to organize your future speeches and your growing process inside the Toastmaster. So thank you very much for listening to my video, and let's see you in our next meeting.